Hi everyone, this is Sesami. Welcome back to my channel. I'll be sharing with you how to cook pork siomai. It is an Asian dish that you can steam or fry. It's easy to make at home and you only need a few ingredients and a steamer. Ground pork, minced pork small cut, salt, pepper, sesame oil, mushrooms, chives, fresh eggs, and flour. Let's start. Put all of the ingredients into a large bowl and mix them well to combine. You can adjust the amount of seasonings according to your taste. The flour will help bind the filling together and prevent it from falling apart when cooked. You can use spatula, spoon, or your hands to mix ingredients until they are well incorporated. If it's look dry, you may add one more egg and mix until they are well incorporated. This is how the filling should look like after mixing. The filling is ready. Let us aside it first and we'll make wonton wrappers. The ingredients are 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, water, and cornstarch for dusting. Stir together the flour and salt in a large bowl. When mixing flour, you can use spatula, or if you have mixer, much better. You may gradually add water to the flour mixture until a smooth and elastic dough forms. You may need more or less water depending on the humidity and the brand of flours you use. Keep on mixing until elastic dough forms. You may add a drop of water until it becomes smooth. If the dough is ready, divide into 4 equal parts, and to prevent drying out, you may cover them with the humid cloth or plastic wrap or a bowl. When rolling the dough, you need cornstarch. It helps to stretch the dough. We will work on one portion at a time. Roll out the dough on a lightly floured surface with cornstarch into a thin rectangular or round, about 12 by 12 inches. So I'm using roller pin, but if you have pasta machine, I recommend you use it to achieve the thickness of the wrapper. While rolling, if you feel like dough it's not stretching well and it keeps snapping back, you need to dust the dough lightly with cornstarch on both sides to help not snapping back and to prevent them from sticking together. So I think I achieved the thickness of the dough. So if you don't have a molder around one, you can use the canned good like what I use. So you just have to cover it a plastic wrapper. Each portion of dough, I make 15 wrappers for a total of 60 wrappers. That is 60 pieces of dumplings. You can stack them up and cover them with cloth or plastic wrapper until ready to use. So it will last actually 1 week. And you can repeat with the remaining portion of dough. We can now assemble the filling and the wrapper. When filling the dumpling, it depends on you what size you want. So what I did is 1 spoon of the filling, and then I just add it into the wrapper. Just to add on, you can use these homemade wonton wrappers to make delicious dumplings with your favorite fillings. So you can steam them, you can boil them, or you can fry according to your preference. Pork siomai is a popular snack or appetizer in many Asian countries, especially in the Philippines, where it's so often served with soy sauce and calamansi. Thank you for watching my cooking video. I hope you learned how to make pork siomai. And if you like this video and if it's very informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cooking tutorials. You can also leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe or if you have any suggestions for future video, I would love to hear from you. See you next time. Thank you.